Hey guys, welcome to EB Games. Today we've got another somewhat short Winnipeg Railroad motion photograph. In late January I bought a camera for video, the Sony ZV-1, and went out trackside on January 30th to test it out. I headed out east towards the town of Oakbank on CP Rail's mainline, the Keewatin Sub, in time to catch a couple intermodal trains with special interest leaders. First up was Hotshot Intermodal Train 100 with rebuilt AC44C/8119 in the new CPKC paint scheme. There, I said CPKC without throwing a... Yo, I'll be right back. After it did some switching, the next train, 104 with Heritage SD70 ACU 7017, was on its way east. I set up at Heatherdale Road, where a long time ago there was a Y and spur to a gravel pit a mile or so to the north. I'm not sure the history behind it exactly, but it's been abandoned for a long time now. After a couple minutes of waiting, 104 cruised past on its journey into eastern Manitoba and Ontario. Well, thanks for watching everyone. Subscribe for more choo-choo train videos. Shout out to the channel members listed right here. And as always, be nice in the comments. Don't diddle kids. Don't derail trains for clout. See you next Tuesday.